I've been reviewing National Bank's mortgage options throughout 2025, and they remain a competitive choice in the Canadian market, especially for borrowers looking for flexibility and tailored lending solutions. Still, there are some important pros and cons to weigh before making a decision. National Bank offers a full range of mortgage products, including fixed rate, variable rate, and hybrid mortgages. Their 5-year fixed rate mortgage currently sits at 6.29%, while the 5-year variable rate is around 4.95%. These rates are generally in line with other major Canadian lenders and reflect the ongoing adjustments in the housing and interest rate environment. One of the biggest advantages is repayment flexibility. Borrowers can double their regular payments without penalty and make lump sum payments of up to 10% of the original loan amount each year. This is helpful for anyone trying to pay off their mortgage faster. But if you exceed those prepayment limits, you could face penalties, so it's important to plan carefully. For newcomers to Canada, National Bank also offers specialized mortgage programs that consider limited credit history, which makes it easier for immigrants to get approved. That said, one downside is the lack of mortgage portability. If you plan to move and want to take your mortgage with you, National Bank doesn't currently allow that without renegotiating the terms from scratch. Customer feedback is mixed. Many clients appreciate the competitive rates and options, while others have mentioned inconsistent customer service experiences, especially when dealing with support or application follow-ups. If you're looking for a flexible mortgage product with solid repayment options and decent rates, National Bank is worth considering. But it's important to review all the terms closely and speak with an advisor to make sure it fits your long-term plans. If this review helped you understand whether National Bank is the right lender for your mortgage needs, be sure to like the video, share it with someone comparing lenders, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.